Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn on how you can clear your Snapchat conversation chat with everyone, since most people didn't even know that was an option. Because some people are used to just delete a chat conversation one-on-one. So in today's video I will be showing you how you can clear all the conversation chat you have ever had with everyone on Snapchat. It's very simple. Let's simply start by opening your Snapchat. And now that Snapchat is open, you can see that we are where we supposed to be. So now let's simply start by going to the profile menu. And that's where we are going to be clearing the whole chat for every chat. So go on menu settings. And now that they open, you can see that we have even more tools to work with. So this where we are going to use in order to be led to the settings for properly resetting your settings. So let's simply start by open Snapchat settings. And now that the settings are open, you can see all the tools to work with, so simply come on the account action. So now that it's open, you can see all these tools to work with. So let's simply go OK the clear conversation. And now that it's been opened, you can see all the chats you have ever texted with, and talking from when you first opened the Snapchat account until today. So you won't have to open a cheat and clear it. All you have to do is click on this right close button on every chat. So if you turn it off, you can see that it says that if you decide to clear the conversation aside from the messages you have saved, so simply click on clear. So from now on you can simply click this closing button on the right, and then simply choose clear. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe.